Hey guys, so recently I stopped by my Nature Republic and I was able to get the EXO Hydrogel masks, and it comes with 10 of them. Each mask does something a little different for the skin, which you can read in the small description on the back of the mask, but the main priority is for moisturizing and hydrating the skin. To compare for size, I brought out two of Nature Republic's mask sheets and compared it to one of the EXO sheets, and you can clearly see that the sizes are really different, but the ounces for each of them is different. I do believe the fresh mask for the regular ones have a bit more than the EXO ones. This time comparing the Nature Republic's Aqua Gel mask to the EXO's Hydrogel mask, you can see the size is the same, however the ounces are a bit different, with the Aqua Gel having a bit more. Cashier lady was kind enough to give me a free standee and I chose Kai. Along with the face masks, the cashier gave me the EXO Nature Republic photo cards, and it comes with 9 of them. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.